Hello, everybody. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening from wherever you are joining in. Thank you for joining today's IBM Mobile webcast on the topic, Quick ROI using mobile applications for your industry. My name is Liju Jacob, and I am the Worldwide Ecosystem Enablement Leader for IBM Mobile Business with IBM Ecosystem Development Group, and I'm the moderator for today's webcast. Before we begin, I would like to make a few brief announcements. Firstly, the call is being recorded, so all phone lines have been muted to reduce background noise. We are audiocasting this session so that you can hear the presenter via your computer speakers. We would provide the replay link of this session and the presentation slides via IBM Mobile Ecosystem in Exchange website. If you do not have the website URL handy, we will send that via chat window today. For asking questions or raising any technical issues, simply use the chat feature on the right-hand side of your screen and submit your questions to the Q&A team. The questions will be answered during the Q&A time towards the end of the session. Finally, if you are experiencing any technical issues with the meeting console, you can call the meeting technical support at 888-376-0105, and they'll help you with any issues that you may have. If you're dialing outside US or Canada, please dial 978-899-9192. IBM Mobile Webcast is a monthly webcast series on mobile technologies. Simply, it's a live learning session with mobile experts. You get to hear from IBM and business partners in mobile and get a chance to interact with the speaker, ask questions, and discuss your projects as well. Mobile technology is emerging and projected to turn around industries. If your business is not on mobile, then your success is faint. IBM Worklight provides SMB and enterprises to develop, manage, and run HTML, hybrid, and native mobile applications without much effort and integrate seamlessly with your LOB applications. Join this session with IBM Premier Business Partner, Royal Cyber, and learn how you can leverage mobile for your business growth and generate tangible ROI using IBM Worklight mobility platform. This session will highlight the key areas of focus for designing a mobile app utilizing IBM Worklight. Mobile application development, why, what and how, IBM and Royal Cyber integrated solutions, mobility strategies and use cases, best practices, implementation and success stories, followed by demo and a Q&A session. Now, let me introduce to you our speaker for the day, Mr. Talha Haroon. Mohammad Talha Haroon is the Business Development Manager, Mobile Solutions at Royal Cyber Incorporation. He has more than 10+ years of experience in development of ERP, mobile, web development solutions, along with hands-on command of business analysis and project management. Talha is an IBM certified mobile application developer and has co-authored a book called IBM Worklight Mobile Application Development Essentials, published in February 2014 by Packet Publishers. Now, with this, I would urge all the participants to sit back, relax, and learn through today's presentation. Talha, with this, I would request you to start today's presentation and take it away.
Thanks a lot, Jacob. So, hello everyone. This is Talha Haroon, Business Development Manager at Mobile Solutions. I hope you all are well today, and from this point, I'm having this presentation. So, the main purpose of this presentation is to provide knowledge of Royal Cyber mobile development tools and expert level opinions, considering mobile first. The concept of this presentation is to make you understand that what would be the best and possible mobile development platform for you with respect to your business prosperity. We will be seeing Royal Cyber mobile development tools, expertise, and what are the projects we have done so far, including use cases and integration we have done till yet. Here is the agenda we will be following in order to demonstrate the integrated solution we have, improvised use cases and strategies we developed, mobility success stories, and projects we have completed with some demo links so everyone could see and download it publicly. So it will be a really good experience to see the live demonstration and the POC we have developed. So I would like to start this section with a really well-defined quotation of William Feather that a budget tells us what we can't afford, but it doesn't keep us from buying it. So if we implement this quotation in our business and review our business vision, then we will recognize that every business could be extendable to any optimum level if we will provide much convenient services, packages, and interface based on the user experience. We should have to provide some convenient and easiest way to our customers or users because companies' cash flow depends on them. If we will provide them what they would like, then indirectly there will be an affection with your products and services. So now I will tell you the most precious and important fact or day-by-day smart devices utilization exposure. Every year, a smart devices convention is increasing almost 79% with the comparison of last year. World is now moving to smart devices in which we can include mobiles, tablets, iPads, and every handy multimedia device. But I would like to raise a big question in this discussion that what would be the best practice or most convenient interface customers or users could actually want. In other words, you can say if the users are utilizing apps or websites, then how could we approach them by considering their ease and comfort in order to boost our business? After our analysis of the last 3 years, we have found out the fact that most of the business growth undertakes using mobile app instead of mobile website. The basic reason is that for a user, mobile apps seems much comfortable and easy to use, but mobile website seems little blurry because of lack of user experience. Most of the time, customers use a search engine in order to search websites if they don't have references. But the biggest advantage of mobile apps is the user may have a long and trusted relationship as the app which is already deployed in their mobiles. So it actually provides more convenience to users, faster responses, better user experience, and multiple options, which helps to provide a complete compact services. To overcome these kind of solution and to develop these, we could use IBM Worklight as really an essential development tool for any enterprise mobile application. The reason why IBM Worklight offers an open platform to assist businesses to deliver existing and new mobile applications to multiple devices. According to IBM, it is an important piece of IBM's strategy that simplifies end-to-end security and service integration between the mobile applications and back-end systems. Additionally, it helps clients dramatically reduce mobile application time to market, cost, and complexities. Moreover, the IBM Worklight came up with a variety of components to efficiently develop, test, connect, run, or manage mobile applications. Development in IBM Worklight is really similar to web development, where developers and designers can leverage their existing knowledge of CSS, HTML5, jQuery, and straightforward JavaScript to manipulate pages and their elements directly making development more rapid and fast. The ID works in this conjunction with the native SDKs while building an app for Android, iOS, BlackBerry, or Windows Phone. This section is demonstrating that Royal Sabre has been delivering the most advanced and competitive business solution all across the globe. With its partnership with the IT giants such as IBM, Microsoft, and CA, the company has a broad spectrum of services and solutions which serves almost every business industry. The team of professionals and experts at Royal Sabre are much capable enough to deliver any kind of solution varying from the needs of the small business to the large organization. It is our first integrated solution we're proposing. This integration and use case demonstrates the industries with large number of audience dedicated to social network. This architecture covers the media and entertainment areas and industries, which helps to grow their customers by providing most innovative services, which will help these industries to keep their customers coming back by using news alerts, news feeds, and some out-of-the-box services and facilities. For this architecture, we will be following and providing an idea with respect to features in form of complete package. By following this use case and integrated solution, the users will be much originated to use the mobile app. They will be having some realistic features like push notifications, events alerts, video, audio recorded, or live streaming for end users. Besides it, industry will be checking and monitoring every individual customer and mobile app users to categorize them with response to service. Regarding the desired integrated solution architecture, we are leveraging IBM Worklight as a presentation tier for the system which will be accessible to end user. Beside it, IBM WebSphere Portal and IBM Cognos will be using as a service and business tier to provide an administrative overview and reporting analytics to the administrator and the business owner situated in the company. For this next integrated solution, we are providing this complete architecture and improvised use case for the companies of e-commerce business and retail industries. This is a complete integrated system which could allow the consumer to provide interactive point of sale system using mobile application to facilitate the user for a quick checkout and self-checkout counter for the purpose of easy shopping. We will give you the complete solution implementation in form of extensions and plugins, which extends the functionality for e-commerce online and live stores. As a complete solution, this architecture is much focused with respect to Sterling Commerce, which is tightly coupled to form a complete solution for e-commerce industry. This integrated solution provides an automated business process in order to increase sales and interactive user experience for quick and self-checkout with easy and authorized buying. As this is really an inventive solution for retail and commerce industry, we surely assist the business to grow swiftly. For presentation and interfacing to consumer, we are providing them mobile solution using IBM Worklight as a presentation tier, while IBM WebSphere Commerce as services and business tier. I would like to add one point here. For this solution, complete mobile e-commerce plugin we developed can be extendable with any e-commerce store in order to encompass the functionality. This third integrated solution seems really fascinating for the industries containing some rough and critical interaction with customer, and as implementation they got CRM system. The main focus industries or the companies could implement this architecture are like telecom companies, call centers, insurance companies, and support providers. For this solution, every customer could interact with the system in order to raise any kind of issue or any query to complete application or request. The crucial part of this complete solution is that the company could completely automate the business process or the decision-making process in response of any query or request. The mobile interface to the customer provides the complete interaction user interface to directly interact with the company in order to submit any application, support request, or any query regarding the company services. IBM BPM and ODM allows the complete request of the customer to process and implement it using the business authoring template written by the business author, and could be used to automate the entire system. For this complete implementable solution, we are using IBM Worklight for mobile interfacing, whereas IBM BPM and ODM could be used for business process automation. This architecture could extendable and integrated with third-party CRM APIs to build a complete business process and authorized system within an organization to provide much better and optimized services. Now, move on to our next section, strategies and use cases for mobility. Here we will be seeing some most amazing and flourished use cases we could build with respect to every industries. Here we are focusing on education sector, construction, civil, oil and gas companies, health and hospitality sector, automobiles and irrigation use cases, and implementation overview. And beside it, we will be now moving towards the hotels and restaurant sector as well. We will be seeing some features we could implement to promote our industries using mobility. As you all know that quick ROI can be leveraged using mobile, and it's really implementable to grow any kind of industry and business. Our solution enhancements in business. Now, education sector. This sector can be modified using mobile. Let's say if a student uses mobile, then he can attend virtual lectures. They could have news and alerts, event acknowledgements, updated assignments, and classes schedules. This would be the best implementation and the future of new mobile era. We could allow to implement and extend these functionalities with much convenient way for the education sector. Beside it, to modernize and facilitate the field supervisors and engineers' workload, we provide them training, assignments, planning, and monitoring activity interface using mobility. The mobile application could be enhanced to manage some subcontractors, a status overview, and updates. For quick follow-ups, the mobile app could contain meeting alerts and to-do list management. For post-supervision activities, we may add a complete analysis, restoration based on the geological or geophysical methods. So that's how we could enhance this industry in the form of leveraging mobility. For health industry, we could focus the features based on two divisions. The first, complete hospital facilities, and the second one for individual doctors and clinics. This mobile application in this sector would be good and innovative in my point of view. What it does, that the hospitals or any individual doctors can allow a patient to take appointments and allow to follow activities. Hospital and doctors can see and provide a date to check the patient. This mobile app can also be used to have a complete medication information provided by the doctor. Hospital can also use this kind of applications to provide the patients their test reports. The benefit of this mobile app is to avoid the patient's queue, as well as it to really motivate the users to make a good habit of this comfortable environment of the hospital, doctors, and clinics. Many other things can also be added with respect to the business needs and wants. For the automobiles and navigation, this mobile application is for mostly car owners and any user confidential by car owners. Sole purpose of this mobile application is to provide a complete navigation and tracking of the car with respect to location. Car navigation system provides a complete monitoring of your car location, including direction and other information. This helps tracking companies and any individual to minimize support team and critical support path, determines complete stability and satisfaction to locate your desired vehicle. By using a specific vehicle tracking app, the user can save the car location, monitor the mileage, protect the uncertain situation, and can be alert in any circumstances. This app can also be used for companies' promotions and advertisements that can be used as push notifications. Dedicated for the tracking companies, they can also contract to any advertising firm to promote their selected advertisements in any way. This type of mobile application for hotels and restaurants is much dedicated to the customers who come in hotels and restaurants for dinner, lunch, or breakfast. In most of the big restaurants, the biggest liability is labor. Hotels or restaurants can use a mobile app for order placements. Let's cover a use case here. Customer comes in a restaurant. At the table, there is an attached mobile phone which contains a complete menu with price. Customer creates the menu to be ordered and press finalize button. After the desired time, the order will be served at the table. This really helps the restaurant or hotel business to minimize the labor cost, and it's almost 60% of the labor cost will be deducted and helps the business to grow almost 35% with net profit. I have some good use cases, but because of the precise time limit, I couldn't make it. So let's move on. So This is an IBM Worklight book that has been written by me and my co-author, who is currently working in Royal Sabre as a IBM Worklight expert. This book belongs to Royal Sabre. So it seems that we have such expert resources who are perfect to do IBM Worklight development for any enterprise mobile application. Here you can see the link as well, so you can have the introduction and what we have covered in it. This book is our symbol and excellence by providing you a mature level of development for IBM world. Let's move on to some success stories that what we have implemented so far. This is our loyal client name, American Express. This mobility has become a really critical need of enterprise to survive them. It was challenging for American Express to meet demands of mobility customers and to provide them an easier and quick solution in order to keep prestige in the card market. MX wanted actually the cross-platform solution for all mobile platforms, but initially we have developed for iPhone and Android. They needed a quick delivery within 3 months of period, robust, easy and scalable solution having cost effectiveness for this mobile application. They're easy to adopt and train in-house team to develop this kind of application with a really precise time and constraints. We have used our IBM Worklight mobility solution to meet their desired needs of banking business, which will completely accomplished by in form of complete development package presented by Royal Sabre. Royal Sabre developed one mobile commerce solution for a USP, that's Quid Store. It contains a medicine store starter feature pack 5. We have extended the store for the purpose of some additional functionalities and generated for the multiple platform using IBM Worklight. The main feature we can see in this mobile app that it displays lists for custom products, categories and subcategories. User can tap on checkout after choosing a product and the app will ask for shipping details and payment options. There are 2 payment custom processes to facilitate consumers. Most customized and a single page checkout process for sign-in user and consumers. Some other functionalities are also developed like multilingual responsive design implementation and the most important one, the scan barcode. Regarding Office National, they are our Australian client. They needed actually a B2B store to facilitate consumers, merchants, and retailers. App displays the detail of the chosen product along with the price and quantity with some additional features. Users can pick to buy products on this screen with a quick and improvised checkout process. So once payment method is selected, the shipping method is chosen, user will simply tap on the checkout button to confirm its purchase. It also includes the display feature for product categories and subcategories. Responsive web design has been implemented for the store's enhancements, while checking out users will be given an option to select a payment method where online payments, cash on delivery, and some additional payment procedure has been written for this mobile app for the USB. So it is our good success story for mobile department that we have delivered complete scope with the project constants. Al Jazeera online mobile app. we developed that for news, which is developed a demonstration by Royal Sabre. The app is updated by a news feed from Al Jazeera's news portal. The app has Android and iOS versions. Here is an explanation of application flow. This app displays the news categories. Readers can choose the categories in which they're interested in by tapping on it. The app enlists the heading of the recent news stories affecting to the chosen category. Tap on the news heading displays complete news item. From this point, user could also jump to app home or current category page. The biggest feature and improvisation in this mobile app contains multilingual support in 2 languages, Arabic and English. For GCC market, this mobile application seems really general and fascinating as a need of the people, and the gesture functionality in this app provides really good user experience as well. This mobile solution using IBM Worklight is our Royal Sabre's patent and the product we have developed. This application could be used as an individual mobile app, or it can be used as an extension or plugin for any e-commerce store to extend e-commerce store functionality. This business process contains 5 steps. By using shopping, customers will be comfortable and quick to shop. This is the most modernized way to shop and will be deployed by many retailer companies to grow their business without any labor enhancements. Mostly shop retailers avoid increasing in labor because boosting in labor decreases the business value. We will be showing the complete steps to provide you a complete implementation overview regarding this process. We can deploy this mobile app to groom business and user experience towards new business process and technology. If you will see this improvised and terrific use case for e-commerce industry, then that's how it works. In first step, the customer enters in the store to buy some item. First, customer chooses a specified item, scan the barcode of that selected item. It shows the complete specified details and description with amount. Then it shows 2 options, add to cart or remove. In the second step, the list of the selected item actually in the mobile cart. This cart list contains complete number of items which a customer selected finally. This is the same as your physical cart you are carrying. Cart list will be responsible of your complete selection of items. In third step, after completion of the shopping and finalizing the list of the item in mobile cart, customer uses self-checkout counter to verify the amount and the list of the item actually carrying in the cart. This process is based on the QR code placed on the self-checkout counter. When the customer stands at the self-checkout counter, which contains a checkout code indicating the checkout counter position, the customer needs to scan that QR code. After scanning process, the customer submits the cart on behalf of that self-checkout counter. After receiving that cart list on behalf of that code, it shows the list of your physical checkout counter and your mobile cart programmatically transferred to the counter machine. So checkout screen shows the list of the item indicating the amount and complete description of your items. In fourth step, after the verification of all items in the cart, the pop-up screen appears of pay and finish. Customer then verifies the payment method, whether it is using a loyalty card or coupon or any discounted medium or hard cash. The fifth step, this is the final step for easy scan and go shopping. The consumer can use any desired payment method and pay. This process is really mean to those who are busy in their life and business. This mobile scan self-checkout process helps to make shopping easy with more sensible and reliable manner. To experience our demonstration and sample projects, you can directly go to these options and download follow the instructions situated in the description. And for sure, these application will work as fine as you think. Here I will be giving you 3 demo links, and furthermore, we can develop on your request as well. The presentation will be sent to all attendees and optimize the scope of your mind and utilize in your business. Here are some QR code we will be presenting to you so you could directly download these mobile apps for Android. This representation will be really easy for you to directly scan the desired QR code and download the demo mobile app for Royal Sabre. So here is the statistics we have generated by reviewing and analyzing our customers' benefits. So I can say this chart provides you a really core overview with respect to every industry. Currently, the usage of mobile current implies the business to its peak and can be improvised at most flourishing level. If you move on with our mobile solution implementation, then it's really obvious and 99% surety that your business will grow with this rate and your business will jump beyond 4 to 5 years. Banking sector can leverage mobility, e-commerce and shopping expansion can be done using mobility, tracking and search optimization can be handled using mobile. As an advantage, hotel and hospitality industry could utilize the facilitation feature using our mobility solution. So, at the end, after revealing the complete solution and integration solution use cases we have, why Royal Sabre? Because of the fact that we have driven many expert professionals and managed by matured processes. Royal Sabre helps business worldwide optimize their business infrastructure by providing innovative, customized solution for their business, a specific need with best-in-class services and consultancy that meets their future. We are the industry leaders in software consultancy and training committed to our client success. We offer a wide range of customized solutions personalized to our clients' requirements. Our strategic offshore center have enabled us to reduce costs and offer highly competitive rates to our valued clients. Royal Sabre is now serving all kinds of businesses, including within Fortune 500 companies. We get the best reliability, shelter, and security from global software consultancy leader, available round the clock to handle our client queries in form of development and support. A partnership with the leading technology multinationals has augmented growth for everyone, from our customers to these tech titans. Our best-in-class services with reliability, safety, and security maintenance global redundancy that enables our customers increase revenues by proficiently using innovation for their own advantage. We are IBM Premium Partners for last 10 years. We have committed to help enterprises with the comprehensive set of capabilities and technical expertise across IBM Lotus, WebSphere, Tivoli, Rational, and information management software brands. This allows us to blend components of different brands, or you can say the cross-branding, to create a superior performance as seen in our exceptional web experience and social commerce project tracks. Till now, we have won some tremendous awards worldwide. We are one of the 500 fastest growing private companies in America. Royal Sabre is an IT consulting firm accelerating innovation for its customers. Royal Sabre nominated 2 of its clients for Royal Sabre Smarter Commerce Implementation and won the Best Smarter Commerce Sale Award 2013 for its proficient implementation of e-commerce solution for those clients. Royal Sabre set under classic excellence by winning IBM Impact Mobile Innovation Award 2013 at Impact 2013 held on 28 April at Las Vegas. We made its way to IBM's Bacon Award 2013 runner-up by providing unmatched and quality smarter commerce solution to small and large enterprises all across the globe and making the e-commerce business really simpler than ever before. So at the end, I would like to conclude my part that Royal Sabre is the most innovative and sensible IT firm who provides out-of-the-box features and functionalities which helps to get motivated to our vision. So thanks a lot for your time, and now you can ask any kind of relevant question and email me your queries and give an email address anytime. Or we got a Q&A window so you could ask any kind of relevant question. Thanks a lot. Over to you, Jacob.
Okay, thanks, Salah. So if anybody has any questions, we can take it over the chat window.
I got a question that what if we get much revenue from website instead of a mobile app? What would be the strategy to increase our sale using website and avoid mobile app? For this question, if any company is much satisfied with the current sales generated from website instead of mobile app, then it's fine. But in addition, I would like to add that for your mobile website, the best practice we could follow is responsive web design implementation. Because of this responsive web design, the complete website will be transformed with respect to the mobile device and would be much easy to use. It seems best practice that if we could move or we can make the website much similar to your mobile application, including gesture control, easy navigation, custom functionalities, and customized business process. So it will be like converting your mobile website into your mobile app, simple and easy to use. If you will follow the same kind of practice, then surely it will be work as much efficient as currently you have the system.
Okay, great. So thanks, Salah. I have another question for you. How could we utilize a mobile platform for finance department?
For the finance department, that's really a good question. For finance sector, mobile app could be used having in the form of reporting, numbers, analytics, day-to-day statistics, and one more thing I would like to add that if we include business intelligence in the system, then it will allow the financial authorities to get decisions on behalf of reports and complete estimated end results. The most outclassed fantasy of this kind of implementation is that everything you can see and decide using a smartphone. And yes, that's how we could add features to your financial sector. That really depends on your needs, that how far and how much you actually need for the financial sector. And everything at the enterprise level could be implementable.
Okay, so great. So I have another question. Is there any possibility that we can send our customers message depends on the location for the purpose of promotion?
For the purpose, yes, indeed. In my previous webcast, I demonstrated the same purpose and the use case to send a message alert in order to promote your services with respect to the user's location. In mobility terminology, we say it as a push notification, and we can utilize it by detecting the current location of the users using geolocation APIs that's provided by the third-party services. So let's say, as an example, if a client got an outlet within the 2 kilometer from the user's location, then system will detect it and send a push notification or a pop-up message that there is a special offer, promotion, or kind of 50% sale. So this is how, in general, nowadays we are promoting or using the promotions, and that could be enhanced with respect to any kind of scenario.
Okay, so thanks, Tala, for that great answer. I guess we are on time and we do not have any questions at the moment. So in the closing, I'd like to thank Tala for the great content covered today and answering the questions. And we want to thank everybody in the audience for joining us today. We know your time is valuable and we appreciate your spending this time with us. If you have any additional questions, do not hesitate to contact us via the feedback link in the webcast website. So thank you once again and have a great day. This concludes today's presentation.
Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot all.